guys, happy Sunday. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? So guys, I've already watched my meat. Welcome to a new vlog. So I am preparing fried rice. Yes, finally we are preparing our fried rice today. Like I've been craving I've been craving for fried rice. Like now laziness they worry me. I want to cook on. I want to slice this thing. But since we are two, I don't get to slice in a lot. So this is my carrots and I've already sliced them. This is my onions, the green one, the green onions, the long one. Okay, this is my pepper, and I'm about to slice the rest of the things. So just sit down. You can be eating from the screen, there's no problem. Okay, I understand. I understand. So guys, let's dive into this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. See you later. So guys, this is my meat. So I'll be using turkey. So someone told me that turkey is more better than chicken when you are preparing maybe jollof rice or fried rice. Let me know in the comment section which one do you prefer. Do you prefer using turkey or chicken? Like me, I've always been using chicken to cook. Like I use turkey once in a while, like just as the spirit leads. Not that I don't like turkey, I like it, but does not flink me. Like I always buy like as if I'm used to chicken. If you are watching my video where I cook, you know that I love chicken so much. But not that I love turkey too. I love turkey too, but I don't know why it does not quick me to buy turkey. You understand? So when I went to the place, we went for shopping yesterday with my colleague at work. So she was telling me that turkey is more better than chicken when you are preparing this kind of delicacy. Do you understand? I said, oh really? I don't know. So I was even asking Obi and others. So the rice, like I bought what is it called? Gizzard. The gizzard is turkey gizzard, very, very big, like very big. Like this, the meat is almost ready. So guys, I forgot to buy granola oil. Yes, so I even thank God I have leftover at home, because I normally buy that big granola oil. So I did not remember to buy when I went to go and shop and all that. So I'm putting my things. So I'm putting my Maggi, curry, and salt. So I was just showing you guys. So that's just it. So I'm just doing, but I'm not be leaving this thing for too long, because I don't want it to melt. Like at least when you are eating the fried rice, it will be somehow, you understand. So I don't want it to melt so that you cannot see the vegetable inside again. No, I don't want that. So I'm just trying to fry everything together. These onions, that other type of onions. Guys, do you know what happened? I forgot to use onions to boil the meat. First time in history. I didn't even know what I was thinking. But why I actually forgot is because I have these onions. I was thinking I was going to put it inside, but I forgot. But nevertheless, the food still came out so well, because not be onions, they make food this sweet. So my chicken is almost ready, and this is the gizzard. So I removed the rest of the gizzard. I put it inside the fridge, and yes, I put it inside the fridge because I'll fry those ones later. If I fry it, I have sauce that I keep, so I'll be using that sauce to mix it together and fry plantain on it. That's another delicacy for later. Okay, so I don't know if I will be vlogging, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is me just trying to fry this gizzard that I'll be putting on inside this or fried rice. So guys, did you see my fried rice? It has colored. Yes, because I always put colored on my fried rice. I like my fried rice to be green. Like I mean green. Those fried rice you see that is very, very, very green, Do you know what they use to prepare it? So this is what they use. I'm showing you now. This is what they use. This thing is for fried rice. Yes, it's meant for fried rice. So I bought it in an African store. So it has been long. Actually, it has been long. I started using it. I think ever since I got married, that's when I started using this thing. So all my fried rice, I put this thing. But if you are putting it, you have to be putting it like dots. You have to throw it inside. I'm sorry I did not film where I was putting it. Very, very little, like dust. You just dust it inside. So guys, I bought this plantain yesterday. This is what the plantain looks like. Guys, for the past 2 months now, I've been using my front camera. I think I'm liking this, my front camera. I think I'm liking it because I upgrade my front camera, and I think I'm loving it. Are you loving it? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So a lot of people will think I like to use my back camera, but when I'm doing my tutorial for hair, I like to use back camera. But most of my vlog, I use back camera. But for the past, I think 3 weeks now, since I've been vlogging recently, I'll be using my front and back camera. I'll be using back and front camera. As I'm talking to you now, I'm using my front camera and I'm seeing myself. Oh, so I find like this. I don't know, guys. Oh my God, I bought this plantain yesterday. There's one place I went yesterday to go and buy when I was coming back from work, and I did not get home. I just go to the place. They say the place is very far, a little bit, but I just have to go and buy some food stuff at home. Yesterday I went shopping, a few shopping, but this weekend we'll be doing our monthly shopping, because it's whenever we get money from work, so we'll stock. Yeah, we'll stock the house. Guys, I bought crayfish yesterday. Let me show you guys. This is the crayfish I bought yesterday. I bought this many crayfish for €5. Yeah, €5. Very, very much. So I put it aside for breeze to blow, enter. Later I'm going to select it, remove the dirty inside and grind it so that I can be using it to cook. And I also bought a Nigeria ebe. I'm going to show you guys, okay? So this is the plantain. This plantain is so big, can you see it on the screen? Hey! So let me fry this. I think I will fry one, so I don't want it to spoil. But this one is already very, very, very soft. I think I'll be frying this one now. I think I'll fry 1.5, maybe later, because I've already pre-cooked my gizzards just for me to use the sauce to rub it. I'll fry this plantain on it. Hey guys, my food is almost ready. I know, just be eating on the screen, okay? Eat yours on the screen. Why me? I eat it in real life. Yeah. If you have tried using that before, let me know in the comment section, because most fried rice that I normally see, all of them, they are green, as if they put this thing inside. So somebody told me that the person normally cook, for people. He told me that that's what he normally use. So that's when I started using it, and I like it. I like my fried rice to be very, very green, So if you know about that thing, just let me know in the comment section. So this plantain, let me know live for you. This plantain, it don't too soft. Even the one that I said that is very strong, I found out that when I was peeling the plantain, it was also ripe. So you never failed me yet. You never failed me yet. Jesus Christ, you never failed. My hair this morning. Guys, see this thing I bought yesterday that I was telling you guys about. This one is ebe. It's called ebe in my language. See, this one don't put come out. €5 is so cheap. So when I told somebody that I bought this in €5, he said in their place, theory like this is €10. To tell you how cheap it is, where I got it from. There is one thing I know, wherever I go, Jesus Christ. I'm so happy this morning. I don't even know, but my mood they change. You know, whenever I'm playing Pastor Jerry, my mood always change to another realm. Guys, my food is almost ready. Just give me 5 minutes. Yes, let me show you guys how I fry my fried rice. Okay, so let me know how you prepare your fried rice, okay, in the comment section. I gave words before. I gave words. I just sick for church now. I just sing off Kiabi. Anasi hallelujah, Jehovah Meruah. Oh, if I'm listening to Pastor Jerry like service, I feel like going back to Nigeria where I belong. We may not understand. Hey, we may not understand how far you brought me. They may not understand. Hey guys, let me leave you. So this is me just trying to fry this thing. So I did not put, most people they put groundnut oil. They put groundnut oil, put a, what is it called? Like eat some ingredient before they start frying again. Me, I don't do all those things. I've already put my ingredients on the vegetable, and when I was boiling the rice, I put maggi, put salt, like put the things that I want to put. So I think that is okay. So you know, too much of ingredient also spoil fried rice. Yes, before they break, it will to spoil. So, and the weather is so hot, I don't want to do that kind of a delicacy that the next day the fried rice is already spoiled. No, I'll be very, very angry with myself. So this rice remain, the rice remain. So because what is it called? I didn't know that this rice, because this is a new rice. So I didn't know that the rice is very, very, very rice, very, very rice. So I put menu. I didn't know that it was too much and all that. So I went to go and keep it inside his fridge. So this is what my food looks like. Come and join me. On the breed that big. So guys, I just want to wish peace, peaceful family. Husband material. Did you hear that?
Yesterday I come for work, I see clean every year. That pop leg with me, yeah. That with me, yeah.
Only the day when this one go clean, I say go tell me say I clean. Happy birthday, my love, peaceful family. Happy birthday, my love, peaceful family. Oh yeah, let me do video now. Happy birthday, my love, peaceful family. I wish you long life and prosperity. The Queen of Russia. Ode! I see when you hear me bring spoon now. Ode breathe. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. See, I don't prepare this food. I prepare it for you. We are eating this food together. Peaceful family. Oh yeah, come, let's chow. Let's chow. See fried rice. Ode breathe. Come and join me, guys. Let's eat.
Your favorite.
Brother Tony, now your favorite today eat. So good afternoon. Fried rice. I know say fried rice my favorite.
What made you just say what the fried rice is?
This one. Guys, take care. Bye. We want to enjoy this. We want to demolish this food. Bye. So after eating birthday rice, so now to come wash plates remain no. Some people, if they eat some all this, if they help you do something, like my husband, if he help you do anything, and so you gonna tell you say, I not help you that day, I not help you clean today, I not help you. If you clean, must you tell me? Now so me they remind you say I clean. If anytime when I clean, I they tell you say now me clean. Must it be woman work? At least if you still do, not be your. So guys, I finished cleaning everywhere. After I finished eating, I just have to clean this place because I know if you stand up later. Okay, so I just want to go and take my bath now, try to edit my video and do some thumbnail. So guys, talk to you guys, see you guys in another video. I love you. Please do not forget to follow this page. Facebook don't master me. Subscribe, okay, like and share. See my hair, did you like my hair? I don't know if the video is up already. Okay, okra. Bye.